Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Good morning, our special judges and our special audience. Good morning, Mr. Daniel, Miss Laura, Ustadz, Ustada, and also our beloved parent. So, in this morning, we are from Team 106. Would like to present our presentation about Coco Press yogurt. So, before we going further, I would like to introduce our teammates. So, my name is Alif Zaki Ardan Saputra.
My name is Muhammad Agam Zulfan.
And my name is Fahri Ramadan.
And today we would like to present our presentation about Coco Press yogurt product innovation with virgin coconut oil to minimize heart attack risk in hypertensive patients. Next slide. Okay, so these are 6 things that we are going to explain about our research today. So the first thing that I'll explain is about the background of our product. So anybody here knows what our product actually is? Okay, so I'll explain. So basically Coco Press yogurt is a yogurt that has a special mixture. So our yogurt got a special mixture with VCO, or most people knew it as virgin coconut oil. So what does this product impact? So I'll explain. In Indonesia, there are 2 common diseases that elderly people experience. So the first disease is hypertension, and the second one is cholesterol. So hypertension is caused because people don't keep healthy lifestyle and don't keep their healthy food. So their blood pressure increase and they'll get hypertension. Usually hypertension is above 130 per 80 mmHg. And the second disease is cholesterol. Cholesterol is caused because the body fat in our body is increased because people don't keep healthy lifestyle and healthy food. So we hope from our product it can impact and decrease the risk of these 2 diseases. Next. So these 2 things is the formulation and objective about our research. So the first thing is, how does the content of virgin in yogurt contribute to lowering blood pressure and reducing the risk of heart attacks? And the second thing is to determine the effect of virgin coconut oil content in yogurt on lowering blood pressure. Next. And the third thing that I'll explain is about the benefit of this research. So the first benefit of this research is to scientific knowledge development. So with our insight and our research, it can help us to improve our knowledge development. And the second thing is application in food and healthcare industries. And the third one is improvement of public health. So we aim to promote better nutrition in the public health sector. Next.
All right. In this slide, I will explain the production method of our product. All right. Here we use basic lab tools like test tubes, droppers, burettes, and etc. And then there is the key equipment in this production method. There is heater, refrigerator, autoclave, and incubator. And then for the analysis, we use fat and cholesterol testing device. And then the material we use here, the main ingredients is the fresh cow milk, skim milk powder, and then of course, the virgin coconut oil itself. And then for the additional ingredients, we use granulated sugar, natural food flavoring, and stevia sweetener. This product was carried out in chemistry laboratory Al Hikmah Senior High School, Surabaya. Next. All right. In this slide, I will explain the Coco Pass yogurt production. There is two preparation here. The first preparation is preparation of ingredients and starter yogurt culture. In this preparation, we mix for about 250 milliliters fresh milk, and then 12.5 gram of skim milk powder, and 12.5 gram of sugar. And then we heat it at about 80 degrees Celsius for about 10 minutes. And then after that, we cool it down until it reaches 45 degrees Celsius. Then we add the starter culture. The starter cultures include the Lactobacillus bulgaricus. And then after that, we incubate it at 37 degrees Celsius for about 20 hours. The next preparation is the preparation of VCO yogurt using sonication. The first step is mix VCO at the scale of 1/3, 1/10, and 120 to yogurt and homogenize it using sonication to form a nano emulsion. And then we add, it's optional, but we add flavoring like stevia sweetener. Next. And then there is a research methods. Here we use a experimental method conducted in quantitatively. And then there are three variables here, like independent variable, dependent variable, and then the control variable. The independent variable we use in here is the addition of VCO to yogurt products. And then there is the independent variable that are blood pressure of the test of respondent. And then the control variable in this research is the fermentation procedure and VCO concentration. And then there are the research group in here. They're called treatment group. Treatment group is the respondent that consume the VCO. The respondent is consume the yogurt containing the VCO. All right, next. And then there are a Coco Press test. There are three tests here. The first one is pH test. The pH test is for addition of VCO effect on acidity and the stability of the pH. And then the second one is the organoleptic test. In the organoleptic test, we evaluate the taste, the texture of the yogurt. And then the third test is the clinical test. We gave one respondent a Coco Press to monitor their blood pressure for about 4 weeks. Next.
And after all research and tests we did, the result is the first one, pH test, is the Coco Press yogurt had pH around 4.2 until 4.5. A gap between the normal yogurt it is 4.0 and therefore 4.3. And maybe the addition of VCO adding the pH, but it didn't disturb the yogurt fermentation by the lactic acid. And here we found that the formula 1, 2, 3 is the best one. Because why? Because the balance of acidity, thickness, and flavor from our panelists. And the result is our panelist or respondent had lowered blood pressure after 2 weeks after the consumption because of the VCO, MCT, and yogurt probiotic bacteria. Next one. And after the test, we got a summary that Coco Press yogurt with the addition of VCO was successfully formulated without disturbing the taste, thickness, and flavor. That the cocoa press yogurt is lowering the blood pressure of the panelist or respondent. This product promises the next step of pharmacy industries or biotechnologies and yeah, pharmacies. Next one. And in the future, we hope that this knowledge will develop into industries like pharmacies and biotechnologies. So that's all from us. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Wabarakatuh. Now coming down to Q&A sessions. Let's start from Mr. David. Mr. Daniel, please.
Thank you very much for your presentation. Again, more images, less text. Let's see your product. Let's see your tests. Let's see if you've got some results, some charts, rather than text that we don't really read because you go too fast through it. You tell us what's there and give us something to look at while you're telling us. That's the purpose of audiovisual, of audio. Visual. To show us what you're talking about. Secondly, you don't talk about, did you have a control group when you did the test on your subjects?
Yeah, we didn't. We only got the.
Otherwise, how do you know that it's the coconut oil that has an impact? Maybe it's the yogurt. Maybe it's. Did you not have a group that only took yogurt and one that took the yogurt with your mixture to see what was the difference, and a group that perhaps, a control group that doesn't take anything and so on to see, okay, it does make a difference if they use our coconut oil versus just the regular yogurt. You need to have something to test. Did you then use a control group?
No, we actually takes the probiotic bacteria and the antihypertensive effect from the yogurt and the VCO. So we mix two components that different as the.
But how do you know which of these components lowered the blood pressure?
Because we know that VCO has the antihypertensive effect that had a medium chain triglycerides that improve HDL or good cholesterol.
You knew that before the research or after?
Pardon?
You said because we know. You knew that before the research or after the research?
Before the research, we reset in the papers. Yeah.
Okay. In the future, if you do have something like that where you are going to test subjects or patients or whatever, you need to have one group that does not try it, or that does try, like in this case here, maybe just the yogurt without your coconut, and then see what the difference between the two groups are. Otherwise, you don't know which element of your formula caused the change. Okay?
Yeah. Okay.
All right. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you very much for the time. Congratulations for this team about your innovation. Your innovation is yogurt combined with the VCO, right?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
True.
Because I feel maybe this is like just giving the variant in the yogurt, not originally from the impact of the VCO, for the hypertension condition, for example. Yeah, I agree with the Mr. Daniel suggestion, because in your research you didn't input like the control. Yeah, the important thing you need to input the control, because you want to see the effect of blood pressure decreasing, it's come from the really VCO or from the yogurt. Yeah, this is the first one. And yeah, because this research basically also for the clinical trial, right? Yeah, I suggest to your group, if you have time or you have the opportunity, maybe you can try your product like in vitro experiment. So you need, for example, like the animal model, yeah. So you can control, because if you use like the human group, maybe there is the bias result, because we don't know during the 2 weeks they eat what kind of the food. Yeah, maybe also contribute to decrease the blood pressure. Yeah, maybe in your school there is like the biology laboratory, so maybe you can design the animal experiments for this product. Okay, thank you very much.
Now we would like to have an opportunity for parents perhaps to raise the questions. Ustaz? Ustaz? Ustaz tadi.
Okay. Thank you.
In bahasa, no problem. Bahasa Indonesia, no problem. Yes.
Oke. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Sebetulnya mau bahasa Inggris tapi Alif minta bahasa Indonesia, jadi ini guyonan saya dengan kakak ini seperti itu. Oke, terima kasih. Di sini saya hanya ingin berpesan ke anak-anak yang nanda-nanda yang di depan bahwa percayalah pada sebuah proses. Ya, teman-teman, anak-anakku sekalian harus percaya pada proses dan tetap terus berkembang. Ya, harus percaya dengan proses dan tetap harus berkembang. Dan ini yang penting, jangan pernah takut akan sebuah kesalahan ataupun takut dalam kegagalan dalam sebuah proses. Ya, karena apa? Karena itu akan membuat kalian lebih hebat dan akan membuat kalian lebih sempurna. Nah, itu pesan saya aja. Ya, berpesan seperti itu. Terima kasih, Ustaz.
Okay, thank you for the good advice.
Hello.
Yeah.
Congratulations guys for your great performance.
Thank you, Zad.
Can you show us your product, guys?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So
Is it possible
this
for
is
us to see the
our
product?
that we've made it last night. So this is our Coco Press VCO yogurt.
Can you
May-
maybe give to the
Yeah.
audience, like to the
Sorry.
jury?
Kasihin.
Yeah. Based on the critics on the first jury, I would like to encounter one thing. It's encouraging that you recognize the need for further testing and the limitation of the one-person trial, like the first jury said. However, I would suggest focusing more on how you plan to specifically isolate the effects of the yogurt and the VCO. So maybe that will be on your next plan
Okay.
as your pembimbing or helper, I don't know.
Okay, thank you, Zad.
Clearly, defining your experimental design with control groups will help differentiate the health benefits each ingredient offer. Additionally, involving a larger, more diverse sample size and adhering to to proper clinical protocols will enhance the credibility of your claims, right? So, in conclusion, I would like to make all this becomes a cool product that is really effective to the society. Your claims, you are believe that it will help the people with that have hypersensitive. Is that what you claim? Is it
Attention.
hyper what? Hypertension.
Yeah.
Yes. So if you believe with that idea, so that you can make it a true product.
Okay.
That is from me. Thank you.
Thank you, Seth.
Okay, congratulations for this team. I think your presentation was clear and well organized. Your research and innovation on Cocoa Press yogurt is highly commendable. This product has great potential and is beneficial in the field of health. The judges provide constructive feedback, and it will be important to apply their suggestion as you move forward. Stay motivated and keep up the excellent work. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Ustad.
Thanks very much for all feedbacks, questions, as well as advices from the Board of Judges as well as the parents. Now we would like to invite all parents to come forward and having a photo session with our presenters.
Yes, it tastes nice. Yeah. It tastes nice. Like yogurt.
So that we can actually check